Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a way how to lower your Ryzen mobile CPU temperatures. This is pretty simple to do. It's nothing hard, but this won't work for every single CPU. So if you do follow this, you just gotta test it out for yourself. I know some laptops which this works, like the Zephyrus G14. I know that works because since it's such a small laptop, this fix just stops. It disables the boost, so it runs at the base clock or something like that, which results in lower temperatures. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So number one, just type in registry editor, open that. I already got everything open here. So first thing you want to do is click HQ local machine, press the little arrow down, a little arrow, and this should pop down. System, press the arrow. Current control set, press the arrow. Control, press the arrow down. Scroll down till you see power, press the arrow. Power settings, press the arrow again. This time there's a bunch of random folders with a bunch of random numbers and stuff. You're gonna want to look for the one that says 545332251. Sorry. Press the arrow down. There's a shit ton of files here, so scroll until you see the one that says BE. That's like, yeah, that's really what you gotta look for, because there's no other files here other than BE. But if you want to go know all the full stuff, it's BE 337238. Now you don't need to press the arrow down for this. Just click it and then see attributes right here. Press that. Right click it. Click modify. The default value data is going to be 1. So it's going to be 1 when you open it. Just delete that. Press 2. Press OK. You can exit out of there. Now what you want to do is click your little battery icon right here. Right click it. Power options. You want to change plan settings. So whichever plan you use for gaming or gaming. Click change plan settings. Click change advanced power settings. Go down to processor power management right here. Press the little arrow. Click processor performance boost mode. Press that, and then you're gonna wanna. So by default, it's gonna say plugged in aggressive. Click disabled when plugged in. Apply. OK. Close out of there, and that should apply the fix. Now, this fix doesn't really. It actually used to work for me pretty well. It lowered my temperatures by about like 4 to 5 degrees. It wasn't too much compared to like the temperature drop I saw on the Zephyrus G14. But I pasted my laptop with some thermal grizzly cryonaut, and that's like probably like the best thermal paste there is. So I use that, and now like I tested it in AIDA64 with the CPU stress test, and really there's just no difference. So yeah, I guess if you have really good thermal paste, it doesn't really make a difference, but it should make a difference in some laptops. So also another thing to add, you should not enable this if you're gonna edit or render like video files, because it'll end up just slowing down the render times and stuff like that. So if you're editing files or doing like CPU work or whatever, basically just use this when you're gaming. Also, you shouldn't see any FPS loss, or at least for me. And the video I saw on YouTube, it showed no FPS loss, and same results with me. I had no FPS loss, so it's worth a shot to do it. Yeah, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.